have you seen an uptick in phone calls to your office about immigration law?
Definitely. Yeah. Yeah.
Since the election and inauguration of President Donald Trump, many in the immigrant community are concerned about their future in the U.S. Immigration attorney Fred Hartman has been practicing immigration law since 2012. He focuses on family-based immigration, humanitarian relief, and immigration court. He says immigration has always been a topic of discussion for any administration and that this is nothing new.
Always, when there's a change of administration, there's a lot of questions.
Hartman's office serves clients from all over. He says 60 to 65% are from Mexico, 15% from El Salvador, with the rest coming from Honduras and Guatemala. He says you shouldn't be concerned unless you have prior criminal history.
Most people who have an immigration case, it will probably not change their case. I would say the people who really have to be concerned would be most likely people who have some sort of criminal history. And maybe during the Biden administration, ICE was looking the other way. And now, most likely, ICE will not be looking the other way.
Founding member of Western Slope Against Trafficking, Tom Akers, says it is important to rely on your constitutional rights and to be informed about immigration law. Akers says he doesn't think the actions taken by this administration on immigration will be positive for the economy.
The current administration, let's face it, Donald Trump is a real estate developer. He has no idea of what agricultural producers and other businesses are facing in terms of lack of manpower. 80% of the agricultural workers in our country are non-U.S. citizens, and among them are undocumented people.
Hartman says if you are put in custody without a deportation order, to ask to speak with an immigration judge.
So if ICE arrests somebody with a deportation order, there's a good chance they're getting deported pretty quickly. If ICE arrests somebody who doesn't have a deportation order, ICE can't deport them because there's no court order that says they get removed from the United States. So what people would need to do is just tell the immigration officer, I'd like to see an immigration judge.
Alex Rivero, KREX News.